elected ministers, members of the diplomatic corps, members of business community, it is my pleasure to open the second annual Rebuild Ukraine Business Conference.
Ukrainians make it clear that they're fighting for their existence, their identity, and their economic well-being.
After 635 days of long, brutal fighting, Canada's support for Ukraine is not and will not waver. Victory is the only option.
There are three fronts to this battle. There's a military front, there's a diplomatic front, but there's also an economic front. We can't wait for a war to end. We must maintain that third pillar.
Despite significant challenges, that doesn't mean that the businesses stop in Ukraine.
They're looking to the future, and that future is Ukraine.
We must remember that after the storm will come the sun.
Ukraine's rebuilding is the single biggest capital investment in the European continent since the Second World War.
Somewhere between $500 billion and $700 billion for rebuilding of Ukraine. Opportunities for investment do exist, and healthy returns are possible.
We're able to do it during war times. Imagine what we can do during peaceful times.
Ukrainians have made it very, very clear that they've made their choice. It is Europe, it is NATO, it is democracy, and it is human dignity.
I believe in my country, I believe in our victory. Never give up. Слава Україні! Дякую.